Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the essential stitches you can create on the Singer 8280. Starting on the left, this is the classic straight stitch. This basic stitch is for holding things together. Now comes the basic zigzag stitch. This prevents fabric from fraying. It's the most common way to finish the raw edges of fabric so they don't fray. I have already posted a video on how to overlock using this zigzag option. You can go check it out. This is a multi-step zigzag. We can also call it an elastic stitch. You can use this on stretchy fabrics or to attach elastic onto the fabric. Next is this stitch, which is great for repairs or very stretchy seams. Note that you need to adjust your settings according to your project. For example, when it comes to zigzag or elastic stitch, you need to reduce the stitch length even more for a better outcome, maybe even 2 or 1. I suggest you always test on a scrap fabric and then use it for your project. And finally, this decorative stitch, which creates a nice hem. This creates those small rounded bumps almost like shells, and it's perfect for hemming sleeves and the bottom of the fabric, especially on tops, t-shirts, nightgowns or any other clothing. A Singer 8280 can also do a buttonhole. I have already posted a video on this. Please check out my profile. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these stitches for your projects, and of course comment below if you have any doubts. Subscribe for more videos and happy sewing. I'll see you next time.